Good morning guys. So ngayon is Monday, June 5. Hi Luis. Good morning. Are you done with breakfast? You don't? Where are you gonna go today? Do you have any plans? Well, let's not bother Luis anymore. He said he's an introvert. So yeah, but we chatted yesterday. But for now, let's see what we're gonna cook for breakfast. Someone's cooking the rice. Ay, si Dango. Ano bang kakainin natin for today's video? So, magtimpla muna tayo ng kape. Meron pa pala akong egg. Siguro mag-egg. Meron pa nga ako dito isa pa. Lulutuin na ba natin si beef loaf? Okay, let's cook. Wow, guys, ang gwapo ni Nico. Makikipag-date ata to. Ang bango pa eh.
Hardware tools.
Saan napunta mo, Nico?
Sa hardware.
Anong bibili mo dun? May gagawin ka dito?
Yup, marami.
Ayan, kasi siya yung gumagawa dito ng mga ano, kung ano-ano.
Uy, hi, welcome to my guys.
Ayan po si Nico, guys. Pakimay na lang.
Paki-subscribe.
Pakimay na lang po si Nico.
Hi guys.
Bye.
Shout out.
Bye, Nico.
Bye. Ingat ka, enjoy ka maya.
Okay. Guys, yeah. So this is the motorbike that we're gonna be riding for today. It's color red. Thank you, sir. What's your name?
My name is Richard.
Richard. Okay. So,
See you.
all right. I'll see you tomorrow, or I'll message you. So let's check the bike.
Let's see that. Can you put the key just to check the gasoline? Yes. Okay. The key is here. Okay. It's full. No. It's two. Impossible. Right. So. Okay, it's two. Anyways, it's okay. It's okay like this. Or three. Two.
Okay.
You'll see. All right.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
Bye-bye. So let's call Luis. Jim. Let's go. Let's do this. Jim, let's do this. So Jim.
How many helmets? One.
2. They provided 2. So Jim is gonna teach me how to ride the motorbike.
Teacher na.
Yes.
Jim.
Kuya, natakot ako kasi sabi niya, can you try the parang parang check niya yung gas. Eh parang kailangan ito isuksok yung hindi ako marunong nito.
May kuan sa kuan niya.
Hindi ko wala akong alam. So,
easy lang, easy.
Okay, let's go, Jim.
Try ba?
Guys, so I'm gonna learn how to ride the scooter for the first time. We didn't tell the owner that, but I'm gonna learn it because I know how to ride a bicycle. So they said it's not gonna be that difficult for you to learn this. But I'm just gonna try like driving it around this area and just get comfortable with it, and then we can we can go. All right, let's go. I prefer the blue one, but then it's gonna be expensive, so let's just use that red one.
Sige na ba? Try
Let's
ba?
go. Okay. So yan, so tuturuan na nila ako mag-drive. So guys, I need to to figure this out. So just within this area. So
Helmet ka, mag-helmet ka muna. Ha?
so this is go.
Yeah. This is gas. But you have to.
So no, there's no need for me to do
No.
this.
No. You do that when it's already started. But always keep your left hand on
Yeah.
the brake.
Yeah.
Right. So even while you're doing this, just press the brake a little. You kind of make it timpla.
Yeah.
Right. So brakes and this. Because if it's only this, you'll just go very fast, very
Yeah.
quick.
Okay,
So you do
this is the
this.
stop.
Yeah, you kind of hold on to that, and then you do the accelerator a little. You get a feel for it, and then you can slowly release this.
But while doing this, I don't need to hold this.
What? No.
What is this for?
This is for front brakes.
Ah,
Rear
so-
brake. Rear brake is the one that's important.
Okay.
Front brake if you need to brake. Like,
So I don't need
immediately,
I
like,
don't and I don't need to like
complete
touch
stop.
this every time.
No.
Just this.
No, yeah.
So this is like go, like
Yeah.
how fast I'm gonna forward, and this is like in a way to control it
That's
to
the brake,
stop.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the main brake. You only
So-
use the front brake sometimes.
So I have to like do this and then press this at the same time, or
Yeah. Yeah. No, squeeze
Same
this.
squeeze this and press this.
Yeah.
Like-
to start it.
This one.
Yeah.
Wait, can you hold this for me?
Alright.
You need to.
Let him do it.
Yeah, so I'm just
Yeah.
gonna,
Okay. No. Put your hand. Let your hand off that.
Di, dapat na ano yan, yung stand.
off. Okay.
Let's just
Maybe
end this.
stop filming.
This is our first motorbike ride. So nakarating tayo sa kanilang public market. So tingnan natin kung may mabibili tayo dito. Let's go. Okay guys, bibili lang tayo ng ating, kasi feeling ko mag-extend ako. So let's see what we're going to buy natin.
Ano sa'yo?
Food, nag-text na ulit ako sa kanila 2 more nights, and then bumili na lang tayo ng chicken, and then may tusino na ba to? Oh, wala, hindi niya sinama yung tusino. Wait nga, balik nga tayo. Anyway, may ano naman tayo eh. Meron naman tayong motor. Pataranta. So yan. So first time ko sumakay ng motor, and ang first destination ko is sa market nila. So, let's go. Let's go back. We're gonna cook chicken. Yung binili natin sa market para sa ating first time riding a motorbike. Naging matagumpay siya. So, yeah, kakain muna tayo. And then, later, let's see kung saan tayo pupunta ulit. Dun sa hindi mahirap puntahan muna. Okay, let's go. Luto lang tayo ng chicken. Tapos coffee ulit. Hiniram ni Jim yung bike kasi pupunta daw siya ng market. So, tingnan natin kung saan tayo pupunta after. Pero magpahinga muna tayo. Okay, so try na ulit natin mag-drive ng motorbike. Pupunta muna tayo sa may 7-Eleven kasi kailangan ko na mag-withdraw. Wala na tayong pera. We need to withdraw money. So where's our motorbike? Oh, here. The red one. Let's go.
Turn right. Then, your destination will be on the right.
7-Eleven. So, hanap lang tayo ng so tingnan natin saan tayo pupunta later. Let's go. Naka-withdraw na tayo ng pera, so tingnan natin kung saan tayo pupunta sa sunod. Guys, ito yung nakita ko sa Google. Hindi ko alam kung ito na yun, pero what the heck is that? Hindi ko alam kung ito rin yung sa Google o iba pa yun. Pero nakita ko tong picture na to, yung gitara. So, tingnan natin kung meron pang iba. Try natin umusad pa doon. Ito, nakita ko rin to sa picture. Yung mga ganyan-ganyan nila. Pero, ang layo ng binahe ko. Ang layo ng binahe ko ha. Mga 30 minutes din. Para lang ba dyan yun? Tingnan natin kung ito na ba talaga yun. Hindi ko kasi alam kung ito yun eh. Pero sarado. Wala rin naman kung ano. Kung ano man. Hala, uwi? O, sige, try natin pumunta pa doon. Hindi ko na-realize na yung tawag dito yung ano ba yun? Clarin Park ba yun? Eh, dito rin pala siya sa Hinagdanan Cave. Nasa Hinagdanan Cave tayo kasi nung diniretso ko, dun tayo galing. Nung diniretso ko, ayun yung Hinagdanan Cave. So pinuntahan natin ang Hinagdanan Cave. So hindi ko alam kung anong meron dun sa Clarin Park na yun. Pero guys, siguro nandito na rin naman lang tayo. And gusto ko rin naman maligo. So di maligo na tayo sa Hinagdanan Cave for the second time. Or gusto niyo yung second time? Sige na. Okay, let's go. Guys, 5 o'clock pala sila nagsasara. So gusto ko maligo sa kanilang Hinagdanan Cave. Pero sirado na sila. So, ang ibig sabihin nito ay tayo ay babalik na. Pero hindi naman kasi yun yung pinunta ko sa Hinagdanan Cave. Hindi ko alam na doon pala rin yung punta mo kapag andun yung Clarin Family Park. Tapos pag diniretso mo siya, Hinagdanan Cave. So, tingnan ko kung may pupuntahan pa ako or balik na ako. Kasi ayoko rin naman mag-drive ng madilim. Kasi alam mo naman, starter lang. Beginner lang tayo. So, let's try. Ayan guys. So, nakarating na tayo sa ating hostel. So, ang na-realize ko sa pagdadrive, nakakapagod siya. Nakakapagod mag-drive, nakakagutom, at nakakabwisit din yung mga aso. Yun yung na-realize ko, nakakabwisit yung mga aso at yung mga manok. Kasi, kailangan mo silang iwasan. Nakakapagod. Andito na pala si ate, nagluluto. Oh. So, siguro magluto na rin tayo ng ating dinner. Ito yung rice ko, no? So, ano pa nga ba? Edi chicken ulit. Hindi ko alam kung ano pang pwede nating iluto sa chicken. Anyway, sige. Magpahinga lang tayo and magluto tayo ng dinner. Let's go. Andito na kaya sila? Bakit maraming sapatos? Bakit maraming sapatos na nandito? Oh, hi!
Hi.
Hello!
How are you?
Good, good. Are you you just check in?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm Danny. And you?
Then I'm Jong.
John? Where
Yeah.
you from, John?
I'm from Manila.
Manila.
Yeah, I'm just here for
Wow,
vacation.
please, man.
Okay, so we met Danny, and that's Elias from Germany. He's the friend of Danny. So we're just gonna chill because I'm so tired. Hindi na ako makapag-isip. So Jim is right there. He's recharging. We cannot disturb him. And also Luis is right here. Luis, can you say hi to the vlog?
Well,
Can you say hi to the vlog?
not too close.
But here, Luis is... pumunta ka ng gym, di ba? Bumalik ka ulit?
No, I did not.
Sabi mo babalik ka?
No, I just drove around.
Where?
Other side of the island.
Did you go to the beach? Napunta ka beach? Okay. So yun, nakakapagod pala at na-realize ko nakakainis yung mga aso sa daan. At yung mga manok, masasagasaan ko sila. But, siguro magpapahinga na tayo ng konti tapos magluluto na tayo. And then, yeah, let's see what's gonna happen in the evening. Tingnan natin kung madadat na natin sila. Ano nga pangalan nila? Ines ata from Spain. Pero yun, nagugutom na ako. Okay, so nandito tayo ulit sa kitchen kasama si ate na magluluto. Ano kayong lulutuin ni ate? Mukhang masarap. Wow! Ay, social. Ang mahal ng lapu-lapu. Sino yung kanin? Nino? Si Nico? Nico, bakit hindi mo ko kinuha na ng isda? Nakakainis. No, hindi. Okay lang. So, ha? Actually, pumunta ako sa, chinek ko kasi sa tawag dito, sa Google Map. Yung Clarin Park something. Wala naman pala yun.
Wala na yun.
Kaya nga. So pero pag diniretso mo yung ang destination mo pala is yung Hinagdanan.
Tapos napunta ka doon.
Oo, gusto ko nga sana maligo kaso 5 PM na, nagsasara na pala sila ng 5. So bumalik na lang ako. Sayang nga sana.
Ano lang maligo?
Saan? Kaya nga, shower na lang talaga ang ating liliguan. Pero kakain muna tayo. Ayun si Danny. Oh. Pero ba't hindi mo ako pinuli ng isda?
Kahapon ako.
As in, nag-spear fishing ka?
Kahapon.
Saan?
Kagabi, nakasuot ako.
Nag-spear fishing. Kala ko nag-ano ka lang eh.
Nag-spear fishing ako.
Yun lang yung nahuli mo?
2. May isa pa doon.
Okay. Lapu-lapu talaga. Ang mahal ng lapu-lapu Ang galing talaga ni Nico. Yun yung kanyang nag-ano siya, spear fishing.
MJS na tayo niya.
Actually kay MJS na rin siya. Kaso hindi daw siya hindi siya na sa final cut. Ano ice cream? So siguro lutuin na natin tong chicken. And bilang may motor na tayo at madaling-madali na lang para sa atin ang pumunta sa market, carry boom na. Ayun, ang sarap na nilulutuin ni Ito na lang yung rice ko, pero wala atang rice tawag dito si Jim. Wala na ata siyang pera. Kasi yung friend niya ata na inihintay niya mag-send, hindi pa nag-send sa kanya. So paglulutuan na lang natin siya ng rice, 'di ba ate? Kasi baka kawawa naman siya, wala siyang makain. So hintayin natin sila mag-can. Pero meron naman ako ditong extra rice. So ito muna yung kakainin ko. Pero magsasaing na rin ako. Okay, so we are planning to drink. So, Luis, what are you gonna go to 7-Eleven?
Yeah, maybe just to buy chips.
Okay, just chips?
Yeah.
Then you're gonna buy here the beer.
Yeah, I'll buy beer.
Okay, and then I'm gonna go to the nearby Sari Sari store.
So, yeah, we're drinking, right? That's the plan.
Yes,
Alright.
let's go.
Yeah. Is he going with you?
No, do you wanna go?
Where?
The nearby Sari Sari.
What kind of chips do you guys
Nearby Sari Sari.
By walk?
By motor.
What
Of
kind of
course.
chips? What kind of chips
Okay,
do
I
you
can
guys
drive
like?
you.
Okay, so Jim, it's gonna be
I'm your private driver.
you're my
What kind
any
of
any
chips do you guys
chips.
like?
Maybe
Doesn't
like
matter.
ano, you know ding dong, right? Like
I have
Oh,
one
thank-
snacks.
yeah, the cheap ones,
not
ng
It's okay.
peanuts, ganon.
Alright. You don't like the chips?
It's up to you if you want
Yeah,
it.
I'll buy some chips.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. Like the same. Like this, yeah. But I finished this.
So we're going to drink beer. So kailangan ko lang pumunta sa may malapit na sari-sari store. Kasi apple lang gusto ko inumin. Ayoko ng iba pa. So si Jim muna magda-drive for me. Kasi pagod na ako. Tsaka nahihirapan kasi ako dun sa mga...
Where is the bike?
Oh, where's the bike? The red, yeah, there. No?
Take.
Okay, so we're gonna wear the helmet.
We're going to.
It's a nearby, maybe like 2 minutes. Using the... Yes. Do you want me to go there? Okay. Are you sure, are you good with... Okay, wait.
See you later, guys.
See you later.
You go
So-
without helmet?
Me?
Yes.
Why? Do you wanna?
No.
Because it's near. We don't need to wear helmet. So Luis is going to 7-Eleven. Yung pinunta natin kanina. Or we can go ahead na. Yeah, oh my god. I hope he's good.
Don't worry.
Are you
Be
sure?
happy.
Are you
She
sure?
can carry, no carry. Hakuna Matata. Right, Rod?
Yeah.
Right?
Yes. Ooh.
Right side?
Yes. Oh, no. The other opposite side.
Other side?
Yeah. So it's just close. Wait, don't go too fast. Slow it down.
This is not so fast.
Oh, that's that's the right speed. So you'll see. You will see the there is a sari-sari store nearby. So let's check. Okay. Okay, so we're here. Bibili lang tayo ng sanding apple. Kasi may nakita ako dito sanding apple. Sana meron, peg wala. Pupunta tayo ng 7-Eleven. Kapag wala. Let's go. Ako na sanding apple ko. Ooh. So babalik na tayo. We're gonna go back. You drink ano, di ba? Red Horse?
Red Horse with beer?
Yeah. Have you tried Red Horse? Not yet.
I don't know. I never tried.
Okay. We're gonna make you try the Red Horse. It's a strong beer.
Really strong? I don't like strong.
Then maybe the Pale Pilsen then. Okay, let's go.
Hello.
Oh,
Hola.
they're not in this. I thought they're the Spanish ladies.
Yes. Another couple. Take.
I think there's a... Guys,
Ah.
there's...
And they
Oh, I think Ines is also here. Hello! Where have you been? Where did you go?
Hey, hola, hola, buenos días. Lunes, martes, miércoles.
Where did you go?
We have been in the caves that you sent me.
In Nagdanan
Super
Cave?
nice. Yes.
Yes.
Well-
And then where else?
In the sky, in the waterfalls that
Yes.
you told me.
Kamugao?
Yes.
Yes.
The big one?
Yeah, and
And you
chocolate
jump and
hills.
swim?
Yes, super nice. We were alone.
Amazing.
No rain today?
Oh yes,
Yes.
a lot of rain.
A lot?
Yeah.
Really? Here is no rain.
No?
No rain today.
When we
You
were
know
in
them?
the road, lot of
Yes,
Here-
we
here
were
is no
already
rain.
together.
What?
We were together today.
Okay. So what where are they staying?
They are Spanish too.
Ah,
They
okay.
are
They're staying here?
sleeping in the room, yeah.
Them?
Yes.
If
Not
it-
in our room.
What
in
are
the-
you
in the
doing?
single one.
I'm trying to vlog my travel, so
Oh.
no.
Grabar su viaje.
Yes, cause
Influencer.
no, not really. I just wanna remember
For you
everything.
too. And what did you do?
Hmm?
What did you do?
Nothing.
Maybe.
Nothing.
Just traveling.
Maybe something.
Wait, we're going to drink beer.
Hola.
Do you wanna drink? I mean,
We're going to take a shower.
Yeah.
To eat something.
yeah, are you done eating? Not yet. You said you wanna eat adobo.
Adobo, yeah, but I don't know
But it's-
where can I buy a chicken.
Yeah, it's too late for
I
you
saw
to.
chicken in the street running, but I mean,
Wait, they are sleeping here?
yes.
Ah, okay.
In the
But-
single room that is.
Ah, okay. So they are the Spanish ladies in the other room. So you know them.
Yes, yesterday I met them.
They are the ones you said you saw at the airport.
Yes, yeah.
But then you
And they are from Torrevieja.
Okay, hi guys.
I come in next year.
Torrevieja, mundialmente conocida.
Okay, but what are your names?
Andrea,
Andrea,
Libertad.
Libertad.
Libertad?
Libertad.
Oh.
It means freedom.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
Libertad.
Libertad. Okay, so wait, are you going to cook?
What are we going to cook?
I mean, or you gonna go to a restaurant?
We don't know.
Maybe if it's open, they go coffee. It's open now, no?
I don't know, maybe.
Maybe like
Maybe,
bars.
Until 9. Until
You can
10
go to
maybe.
bars.
What time is it?
We went this morning, but it was closed.
Because we were.
What time?
Yeah,
Because
it
we were
opened
early.
at 9:30.
Yes, and we were like at 8:30 there.
Yeah.
Ah.
It was closed.
With this
Hey
time,
man, I'm here, Philippines.
so with these hours, I think you can go to a bar
Yeah, I think so.
and then with where they serve food.
Yeah,
And
I think
drinks?
we're going. I'm going to change my clothes because they are still wet.
Yes. Because it's already late. If you want, you can buy a beer and join us here. Okay. Let's go. Asan si Dang? You can. Let's wait for ano na lang muna. Let's wait for Luis. And then we can drink our beer. Naku, inalog-alog ko na yung beer. Puputok to. Yeah, let's wait for you can order your beer later when he's here. Etong isa, we're gonna put this one. Ang hirap mag English guys kasi namatay na yung mga brain cells ko sa kaka-drive. So ayan. Lagyan lang natin si beer. Ang ganda, alam mo ang pretty ni Ines. She's very pretty and she has a very jolly personality. That's it. She's over there. She's from Spain. Okay, let's wait for Luis. The vegetable. Okay, Luis is here. The handsome guy. The handsome Filipino guy from New York.
Do you have a bottle opener?
That
Bottle opener?
maybe you can ask
I can open. Oh, nice. I got 2 beers ready.
Ah, okay, you also.
Which one? I'll take the red horse. Red horse? Red horse go? Yeah. Look at this.
Oh.
Oh wow. Good stuff. I've only seen that with a lighter.
Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna have our drinking session.
It's very tasty.
With a dog. So the girls are taking a shower right now. Let's see if they're gonna join us. Right, Jim? So let us.
Where'd you guys go?
What?
Where'd you guys go?
The Sari Sari.
Huh.
The nearby Sari Sari. You didn't see us?
Cheers. Oh, you saw me?
No, we went first, right?
Yeah.
But so you should see us.
I'm not gonna look around while drunk.
Okay, we're gonna drink, guys.